So a question a lot of you will want to ask is, what's the cost of running a plug-in hybrid? And even more importantly, what's the cost of running this e.Mas 7 plug-in hybrid? Why? Because you're buying a car that costs between 106 to 126,000 ringgit. You're looking for long-term reliability, you're looking for long-term low running costs, and you're probably comparing it to some of its direct rivals that are coming into our market right now at a very, very interesting price point. So the price point makes it difficult for you to decide which to buy and which not to buy. So you have to get some information, and that information I would like to share with you right now. Information that talks about ownership cost over a period of time, and that period of time will normally be during your loan period, because most of you will buy this car on a 7 to maybe 9 year loan. Most of you will buy it on a 7-year loan. Now, when we say low ownership costs, let's say 10 years. The integrated hybrid system with the EV-like service intervals keeps this 10-year cost under 8,000 ringgit, which is about half the cost of a typical petrol-powered only SUV. So can you imagine 8,000 ringgit only over 10 years? Now, contrary to popular belief, plug-in hybrids do not cost twice as much as to maintain as ICE cars. In fact, over 10 years, the e.Mas 7 PHEV can save a significant amount of money. Let me share with you how they've come up with this fantastic cost-saving feature. Now, the estimated 10-year cost, fuel plus maintenance, okay? Fuel and energy, electricity plus petrol, say 21,200. And earlier we mentioned maintenance is just 8,000 over the period of time. Comparable petrol-powered SUV, petrol-only powered SUV will be 49,800, which means petrol alone, fuel costs, this is estimated, 33,800, and maintenance at 16,000 ringgit. So that's significant savings. So if you think about it, if you're buying this vehicle, even if you're buying the high spec, which is 126,000 ringgit, look at the kind of savings that you can have over a long period of time. And these are savings estimated, because why? They've taken a demographic of people who use cars, whether they're using pure petrol cars or PHEV cars, compared to what this car offers in terms of its warranty, service package. Very hard to beat, right? And very hard to ignore. So go into a showroom, take this e.Mas 7 out for a test drive to understand further and get all this information directly from the sales executive.